mediation to resolve the China-India border dispute. Russian scientists have claimed that early tests of the coronavirus vaccine have shown signs of an immune response. After UAE, Serbia and Kosovo decide to normalize ties with Israel. Talks have begun to resolve the dispute between Greece and Turkey over the Eastern Mediterranean. Pakistan Navy has released a promo of the special documentary film Surfroute to be released on Tuesday. India on Saturday became the third country to cross the grim milestone of COVID-19 cases. 13 killed in Bangladesh most gas pipeline blast. TikTok announces a partnership with Pakistani digital ad agency.